In this video, I will be showing you how to copy and paste a website link on an iPhone. Let's get started. I look for the Safari app icon on my home screen and tap it to open the web browser. The app opens directly to a page where a question field is visible. I tap into the field to bring up the keyboard, where a pre-written prompt appears. Recommend 5 budget-friendly destinations in the Philippines for a weekend getaway. I tap the send arrow on the right side of the input field. The screen pauses briefly as the browser loads the response. I then scroll down slowly through the generated text, passing by travel recommendations like Tagaytay, Baguio, San Juan, and Puerto Galera. I continue to scroll down past Siquijor and look at the tips provided at the bottom of the page to save even more money. Next, I want to copy the link for this specific web page. I tap on the address bar located at the bottom of the screen, which highlights the URL text and opens up my search suggestions and favorites page. I tap inside the address bar once more to bring up the editing menu options. From the floating menu that appears above the text, I select the Copy option. The menu disappears, confirming the link has been saved to my clipboard. Now, I swipe up from the bottom of the screen to close Safari and return to the home screen. I use the search feature to find the Notes app by typing Not into the search field. Once the Notes app icon appears in the suggestions, I tap it to open the application. Inside the Notes app, I see my list of folders. I tap on the Notes folder to open it. Then, I look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the New Note icon, which is shaped like a square with a pencil. A blank note page opens up with the keyboard active. To paste the link I copied earlier, I tap once on the empty black space of the new note. This brings up the text editing menu options. From this menu, I select Paste. The website link is instantly pasted into the note, turning into a clickable underlined URL. Finally, I tap the yellow checkmark icon labeled Done in the top right corner to save my note. The keyboard disappears, leaving a clean view of the note showing the date and the successfully pasted link. I pause here for a moment to ensure everything looks correct and complete. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.